Good evening, everyone. I'm Lorna Slater. I'm Bill. I'm from the other club, Waverley Communicators. I have been a member of Toastmasters for 12 months now, and I am going to give you this evening an education topic on table topics. What's going on? Go on. Oh no. You all thought it was working. There's no light at all. Someone knocked the plug out of the wall.
The bulb's gone.
Oh, we've got power back.
Oh, Eugene.
Right. Well, the first slide is just says table topic. So we'll go from there. An education topic, as Edmund introduced, is something we do at Toastmasters from time to time. It's a chance for us all to kind of up our game, to work on our skill set together. And I'm going to talk to you tonight about table topics. Not because I'm an expert in table topics. I'm not. But because I'm really interested in them, I like them, and it gives me a chance to do a bit of research and study them as well. Besides, I came second to a member of this club in the last table topics competition, so clearly I could do with upping my game as well. When I was doing research online for this table topic, I found a lot of material, but I found that a lot of it was not remotely helpful. It said things like, don't mumble, don't ramble, don't this, don't that. I don't find that kind of advice very helpful. I don't know about you. I like the kind of advice that says, do this, do it like this. Then I know what I should be doing, and that's what I'm going to try and do for you this evening, is tell you how to construct a table topic, a successful table topic. I normally do at this point a summary of what table topics are. Now I know we're all advanced members, but I will do it for the camera because this is going to be on YouTube, I think. A table topic is something we do at Toastmasters to work on our improvised speaking. People are given a topic, and then are expected to speak on that topic for 2 minutes with no preparation at all. Now many people find this completely terrifying, and I want to give you confidence that you can do this. It is not at all difficult, it's fun, and I can show you exactly how to do it. There are a couple of reasons why table topics are frightening. The first one is just the whole standing in front of a bunch of people, not prepared, completely terrified. That's one. The second thing is that actually you have a lot to think about with a table topic. There's three things that have to go through your mind all at the same time, and it is tricky. The first thing is that you have to answer the question. Table topic subjects are nearly always a question. It is theoretically possible that someone would give you a topic like the Middle East peace process, discuss. But realistically, no one's ever going to give you a topic like that. They're almost always a question. And even if you're given one like that's fairly vague, like bridesmaids dresses in salmon pink, discuss. The way to get around that is to create an opinion. So come to a conclusion, have one in mind, an answer, turn it into a question in your mind. Salmon pink is clearly wrong, so no, there's an obvious answer there. That's the way to deal with that. So answering the question, that's one thing you got to think about. The second thing is that you have to tell your own story. You've got 2 minutes. You have to add some value here. So there has to be something that's come from inside of you, some information, an anecdote, something that's just yours, your unique point that you're going to contribute to this table topic. And the third thing is that you need to create some structure. A table topic is a speech like any other speech. It needs to have a beginning, a middle, and an end. So that's quite a lot to think about. Don't worry, I'll show you how to do this. It's not that difficult at all. The first thing, answering the question. Many people get this wrong. What is your favorite kind of cake? Chocolate! Now what do? For the rest of the 2 minutes? You're stuck. So you've answered the question right at the beginning. You've left yourself absolutely nowhere to go. You've now got 2 minutes of standing there going, which is why rambling happens, because people are trying to fill the time. It's why mumbling happens, because people are thinking, oh, now what do I say? I don't have anything else to say about cake. The answer to doing this is to save the answer to the end of the speech. Hang on to it. You know the answer. The answer is chocolate. Excellent. Got the answer. Don't say the answer. Hold it in your mind. You're going to start your table topic away from the answer, and you're going to work toward the answer. The advantage of doing that, several advantages. One, it gives you a conclusion. And therefore, that's why I like chocolate cake. Boom. Good. You've got a conclusion. Secondly, it gives you somewhere to go. You won't ramble because you have somewhere you're trying to get. You're not just waffling off into space. Your speech has a point, after all. So this is the reason you want to leave the answer to the end. Very crucial. The most important thing. This is pretty much a summary of what I've said before. So start away from it, work towards your answer. If it's not a question, make it a question, or at least get an opinion on the subject that you're going to have at the end. Even if the opinion is, I really don't care, have an opinion. The next part is your own anecdote. You've got to add something here, the value-added bit that comes from inside of you. On the internet, when it gives advice about table topics, it says things like, read the media, be up to date on current events, no quotes from famous people. Absolute tosh. You already know everything you need to know to answer every single possible table topic that ever comes up. It's already in your head. You already have every experience, every anecdote you need in your mind. The question is to figure out how to link them to the topic at hand. Now, there is no wrong answer to table topics. You cannot possibly get this wrong. Anything that you decide to talk about is the right thing to talk about. And your own experience